this lesson, we're going to configure our virtual platform for the installation of CentOS 8. By doing this, first we need to open VMware Workstation or VirtualBox by our choice. So let's get started. And we're going to click on File, New Virtual Machine. So in this wizard, we have two choices, typical and custom. We're going for recommended one, typical. We'll install the operating system later. As you see, we have Linux, Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8 64-bit, which means CentOS 8 64-bit. We click on Next. Here, you can name your virtual machine whatever you want. I'll name CentOS 8. And location, I'll go to my C drive. And I have Linux CentOS 8 folder. You can name your folder whatever you want. Click on Next. I guess as a beginning 20 GB is enough for us. And click on Next. On the final summary stage, we can rewatch what we did in the previous stages. Before clicking Finish, we can customize our hardware settings, but I think we don't need it right now. So let's click Finish and Done. So as you see, it took us to the main page, and let us edit our some settings. First, I'll connect my ISO image file to boot my CentOS 8 when my machine starts. So we selected our ISO file, which locates in my C drive, and we'll click OK. Then we'll start our machine. So this is the end of our lesson. The next lesson, I'll make some short basic explanation of CentOS 8 settings, and then we'll configure our CentOS 8 before the installation starts. Bye!